Understanding twig arrangement, enhancing your English vocabulary. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a unique phrase that might not be common but is certainly intriguing. Twig arrangement. This phrase can paint a vivid picture in your mind, and understanding its use and context can enrich your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and untangle the meaning of twig arrangement together. Before we dive into the deeper meaning, let's break down the phrase twig arrangement. A twig is a small, thin branch that has fallen off or been removed from a tree or bush. The word arrangement refers to the way that things are organized or put together. So, when we talk about a twig arrangement, we're referring to the artistic placement or organization of twigs. This could be for decorative purposes, in art, or even in nature, where twigs naturally fall into a certain pattern. The phrase twig arrangement can be used in various contexts. 1. Art and decoration. In this context, twig arrangement refers to the art of arranging twigs in a visually pleasing manner. This can be part of interior decoration, garden design, or art installations. 2. Nature and observation. Sometimes, the phrase can be used to describe the natural arrangement of twigs in a forest or garden, highlighting the beauty of nature's own design. 3. Metaphorical usage. Metaphorically, twig arrangement might be used to describe a situation or a problem where the elements are as delicate and intricate as twigs, requiring careful handling. Understanding phrases like twig arrangement can add depth to your English comprehension. It's not just about the words, but the imagery and ideas they evoke. This phrase invites you to visualize and appreciate the beauty and simplicity and the elegance of nature. It can also enhance your descriptive abilities in English, allowing you to paint pictures with words in your communication. Thank you for joining us as we explored the phrase twig arrangement. We hope this video has added a unique element to your English vocabulary and has inspired you to see the beauty in the simple things around you. Keep learning and keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.